Caves have life cycles, and each one of these life cycles are incredibly important to the process of actually making the said cave. I'm in a secret Victorian culvert that runs underneath the bustling city of Sheffield. This is where the light shining for perhaps 7 hours a day for 7 days a week is going to start giving enough nutrients alongside the water to start growing this mossy substance. Since 1874, that siren has gone off in the centre of Sheffield almost every single day at 1 o'clock. Behind me is the longest unbroken waterfall in the UK, which is impressive in and of itself, but perhaps the most special thing about Gaping Gill is that every single year, cavers set up a winch that you can be lowered down into, meaning everyone and anyone can enter this space that I'm in. Our journey begins about 360 million years ago in something that we call the Carboniferous period. And in this period, this whole place where I am right now would have been the bottom of the sea, and this would have been a seabed. So here in Palma, Mallorca, we've got an average temperature of 20 degrees. That means the caves here are pretty much always 20 degrees, which is quite hot and humid compared to caves in England, which are a lousy 7 degrees, if I may say so myself.